So how is it going, guys, and welcome to Mood. Welcome to the new episode of the 2JZ FRS swap. And if you're new to the channel and you like that type of content, please consider subscribing. In this episode today, we're gonna start working on the fuel injection system. We're gonna remove the intake, we're gonna clean that stuff, we're gonna be working in the injectors. I have a surprise of what we're gonna be doing with the injectors to ensure that they're ready to go back in place. And hopefully we're gonna be cleaning everything, putting everything back together, and let's get started. Okay, so look at this, man. It looks quite nasty. I was expecting to see it nasty because it's an old engine, but look at this thing here. It's loaded with oil. Okay, so with the intake out, now it's time to remove the fuel rail. So we do have access to our injectors, and finally we can send them to get clean. Man, look at this O-ring. You're right. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, and now it's a great opportunity to give a deep clean of this nasty intake, fuel rail, and everything that is connected attached to. So I really had a question, how can I do this? Albert, a very good friend of mine back in Argentina, he told me try WD-40 is by far the safest and the easiest way to do so. Let's give it a try. So here we are, clean 6 injectors and a complete analytic report, the before and after cleaning procedure. This is so cool, lot of data points, but the ones that I was very interested about is of course the flow, how much cc per minute it was pushing, and after the cleaning procedure, look at that gain, incredible. And there's one more data point that I'm stoked about to share. Horsepower at 80% duty cycle. What does that 420 mean, man? So something I didn't mention about, look at this, I just pulled one to show you guys. Out of the injectors, all of the gaskets are brand new. So they clean this thing and they bring it just ready for me to install it in the engine and hopefully push that baby up to that 420. If you made it this far, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and stay tuned for the following one. We're gonna be breaking the engine in a good way, hopefully, and changing the valve stem seals. A lot of risk behind because we'll have to remove the camshafts, but stay tuned. See you in the following one. Peace out.